period of the English Standard 7. English Standard 7, poem number 6. Poem number 6, Mastery of the Talking Fan. Mastery of the Talking Fan. The poem is all about the fan and the person who is chattering with the fan in his mind, in his or her mind. Is there a ceiling fan in the room you are sitting now? Is the fan is quiet or noisy? You may be sure it is of the talking fan. If it's make a noise, then it is a talking fan. Sometimes in the motor of the fan or in the some part of the fan without oiling, then it make noise. It make noise. And all about this is the mastery of the talking fan about this poem. Poem number 6, Mastery of the Talking Fan. Once there was a talking fan. There was a talking fan. Electrically is scattered. Is chatter. Children, we all know that the fan is a non-living thing. It can't speak. It can't speak. But it's chatter electrically. Once there was a talking fan, electrically his chatter, because the voice of the fan is going on and it is called the electrical chatter. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear. I hear what he said. What he said. And I hope it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear. I can't understand what he said. What he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. It is not matter what fan is saying, but it is an electrical chatter because fan can't talk. It is a non-living thing. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. One day, after many days chattering with the fan, one day somebody oiling his little whirling motor. You all know, sometimes you see the parts of the fan, three blades are there and the one motor is on the fan. And someone oiled it and all the mastery was spoiled. Now mastery gone out. He run as still as a water. As a water means as smoothly he goes out. He goes out. And the poet is Mudu Robin. Mudu Robin. Please children note down this. Once there was a talking fan, electrically his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. And I hope it doesn't matter. Please children note down this. Next in the poem, after matter, because one day, because one day somebody old, old, his little building, his little building motor and all the mastery was spoiled. He run as still as water. Because one day somebody old, because of too much voice or by the fan, one day somebody oiled it. When in machines there is a friction, if you oil the machines, then the chattering electrical voice do, do not come from the machines, do not come from the machines. So after some days somebody oiled it, his little whirling motor, it is a part of the fan, and all the mastery was spoiled. Now all the mastery gone out. He run as still as a water. Now it run as smoothly as water. And the poet is Mudu Rubin. Mudu Rubin. Please children note down this. point of the poem. Ceiling fan, and is the talking fan. Why it is called talking fan? Because it is electrical is chatter. The voice come from the fan because of nobody oil in the fan, and the friction of because of the friction. Once there was a talking fan, electrically his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said. I don't understand what he said, but it doesn't matter because one day somebody oiled it on his little willing motor, and all the mastery was spoiled. He ran as still as water, as water smoothly he runs now. Working with poem, first question is fans do not talk, but it's possible to imagine that they do. Was it then that sounds like a fan's chatter? It is electrical his chatter. Only the voice comes from the fan because of not oiling it. Not it is only for the discussion. It is only for the discussion question. Second is the complete the following sentence. Exercise number 2. Working with the poem. First, second exercise. Complete the following sentence. Complete the following sentence, and first is the chatter is electrical because the fan functions on its electric motor, and the sound produced by it is not a talk. Sound is a whirling, hence chatter. So write down the chatter is electrical because the fan function on and on an electrical motor, and the sound produced by it is not a talk. It is not a talk. Sound is whirling, hence chatter. The chatter is electrical. Why electrical? Because fans join the its part with the electric because and all the type of wire and all. The chatter is electrical because the fan functions on an electrical motor and the sound produced by it is not a talk. Sound is whirling, hands chatter. Please children note down this. Now we reach out to second number. Second, it is mysterious because the sound produced by the fan seems to say something, but the poet is not able to understand it. We all know it is the mysterious because the sound produced by the fan seems to say something. It's look like that the fans want to tell something, but the poet is not able to understand it because we are human and we do not know the language of the electrical chatter. So please children note down this. Move on to the next question. What do you think the talking fan was demanding? The talking fan was demanding somebody oil it. Demanding that somebody oil it. Because of without oiling, the electrical chatter going on. So, fan was demanding somebody oil it. How does an electric fan manage to throw so much air when it is switched on? If you see the fan, ceiling fan, the three blades and the one motor is also in the fan and the electric wires. When we switch on the fan, the motor start and then the fan start. And now in this way, the fan managed to throw so much air to us. To us. These all are the only a discussion question. Is there a talking fan in your house? Create a dialogue between the fan and the machines. Sorry, fan and the mechanic. When your fan going too much chattering, you call the mechanic. So it is a dialogue between fan and mechanic. It is only for the discussion. In this poem, we talk about the talking fan, which sounds produce the sounds, and the fan said to something to the poet, but he is not able to understand it. Once there was a talking fan, electrical is chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said because we can't understand this type of sounds, and I hope it doesn't matter. Some days, one day somebody oiled his little building motor and all the mastery was spoiled and he ran as still as a water. Now children, it is a homework time. Write one time poem 6 in your notebook. Write one time poem 6 in your notebook. Please note down the homework. Now children, it is a bye-bye time. Please do the homework and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.